Well, it's a Farmall Friday, and whatever's behind door number 1 is going to be the lucky winner. Uh-oh. 48, Cubby? 55. And I got the 55 back here. I still haven't put the cultivators on yet, but... And she charged. This is a 6 volt, 12 volt. You got that option of the... But got a battery here. I've never even used it. It's a 6 volt battery. And I wasn't going to put it in any of the Cubs or anything like that. Believe it or not, the Farmall 400 gas right out of the factory was 6 volt. They made the diesel 12 volt, the gas 6 volt. But for whatever reason, they were notorious for hard starting. So a lot of guys threw 12 volt batteries in them. Well, I got the bright idea one day. I was going to go get a 6 volt battery, brand new, throw it in there, increase the cables size, and it still didn't work. What just wasn't enough cranking power. And so I've always had this extra battery, 6 volt battery. Well, as it turns out, this one in here isn't anything to write home about. So I got that one that I've never even used before, fully charged. And this one's iffy. It takes a charge, then loses it, and then, I mean, make a long story even longer, that battery's going in here. Well, let's see if we can get her to pop. This one usually fires right up, man. Takes right off. Out of gear, handshake, all that good stuff. Let's see. We're on. Just a little choke. Yeah, this is a 1948 Cub. I bought this tractor down at WTC, and this was the famous no sale. And I left the tag on there for remembrance. Brought her on home. Oh yeah, you gotta love stray cats getting in your barn, sleeping on your tractor seat.